have lower back pain and mid back pain because of my scoliosis.
Scoliosis. Okay, kailan pa ito yung diagnosis na?
2014.
14.
Yes.
Tagal na.
Yes.
Nation, I'm Master again, your PT on the go. And andito tayo sa clinic, kasama natin si Ma'am.
Nicole.
Ma'am Nicole. Okay. Ma'am Nicole, ano po yung pinaka-concern niyo?
I have lower back pain and mid back pain because of my scoliosis.
Scoliosis.
Yes.
Okay, kailan pa ito yung diagnosis na?
2014.
14.
Yes.
Tagal na.
Yes.
So, ano yung pinaka-diagnosis ng x-ray ninyo at kung gaano ka-taas yung degree?
Degree is 22.
22?
Yes.
Noon. Ano yung pinaka-latest?
Noon is 18.
18.
So ngayon is 22.
Ito yung latest.
Yes, pinaka-latest.
Mm.
Just this year.
Okay. Sige. Kakaroon ka ba ng physical activities?
18? Yes.
Ano?
Jogging.
Jogging. Okay.
18.
Nag-seek ka na ba ng doctor or PT?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Ano yung pinaka-best recommendation dati ng doctor mo sa x-ray pa?
Is ano lang, stretching every day.
Stretching every day. Ang pinaka-the best for scoliosis is swimming. Nagsuswimming ka ba?
Before.
Before.
Yung diabetes.
Okay. Patinigil mo. Walang time.
Wala pa.
Sa kids ba ito? Ganyan? Or work?
Yes.
Okay.
You
Sige.
can work.
Pero at least, give yourself na time para at least makapag-swimming.
Okay.
Okay, hindi naman yung swimming lang. Pero at least yung proper way of swimming. Okay? The postures and everything. Ayun, lahat. Nag-swimming po kayo?
Yes, before.
Na,
Grade school.
Okay. Okay.
Grade school.
Okay, magkakaroon naman tayo ng manual checking.
Okay.
Okay, to confirm yung 22 degrees. Okay? At the same time, check natin kung gaano nakalala yung scoliosis. Alright? Physical examination. Ready na kayo?
Yes.
Posture up. Turn to your left. Sagad.
Yeah, yes.
Yan na yan.
Ah.
Sige, turn to your right. May masikip ba ng muscles?
Kunya po.
Okay. Mataas ka ba magkunan?
Hindi.
Hindi naman. Okay. Tingala. Yan. Sige, ang normal is about 45 degrees. Oh, may limitation na. Nagkakaroon ng block. Okay? Ngayon, ayupo. Yan. Push it down. How is it?
Sakay.
Saan ba? Here. May connection ba dito?
Wala.
Wala. Okay. Ngayon, check natin ang iyong props muscles. Good. Ito. Yan. All the way up. Higit sa kanya. How is it?
Okay.
Ang luwag naman. Good. Okay. Tumula sa harap. Dito. Press it tayo.
Dito.
Here.
Yeah.
Tight. Okay. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung lower back, like muscle support, lateral, and rhomboid. Twist. Here. Let's get. Okay. May pain. Okay. Okay lang.
Ito.
Ayan, ito masikip talaga kasi naka-diagonal lang. Sige, bigyan natin kung mapupunta pa siya doon. Okay? Tulungan natin ito. Okay, saan yung masakit? More up. Here?
Yung mid.
Sa mid? Okay. Sige. Ngayon, stand up. Plus on. Back bend. Ready?
Yun na lang ang joke mo.
Yun lang.
Yun lang kayo.
So, ano ba? Ano ka? Ang block or may pain?
Yun lang talaga ang kaya ko.
Yun lang?
Oo.
Okay, sige. Pababain natin.
Parang
mamaya.
hindi,
Sige, harap ka sa akin. Ngayon, forward bend.
Ayan. Ito na.
Hindi talaga kaya. Okay? So, let's see. Manual checking tayo with your scoliosis. Wow. What happened? Okay? Check natin. Forward bend again. Ready? Okay, go back. We'll check here. Yeah, pipicturean ko rin ito mamaya.
Okay.
This one here. From the lumbar one. The last it. Right there. Okay, so bibilangin ko ha. 2, 4, 6. Yep, here. 10. Here. This is your 14. So 20 here. Kung range niya as per range, ano? So pinakamataas is about 20 to 23 degrees. Okay? So other than this one, so it comes fine. Rotated. So it's more about a big pagtaas is 80 here. Tapos yung iba ay nasa 15 na. 15, 17. Here is 6, 12, 14. Right? At the same time, compromising your ribs. So yung lahat kayo kanina. Pag umaakit ka ba, nag-easy?
Hindi naman. Minsan.
Minsan?
Yeah.
Okay. So, ang pinakagagawin natin, which is not your, not necessarily laging gagalawin yung spine. Ang pinaka-ibababa natin is yung ribs. Okay? Kasi nakakonecto yung ribs sa ating
Spine.
tama. Kailangan natin pababain yung spine to push your pababain natin yung rib to push your spine back into place. So, this every session, magkakaroon tayo ng mas mababa or mapapabawas natin ng mga degrees. Okay? Na kailangan natin bawasan. Okay? Ngayon, pipicturan ko. Okay? So now, ito na natin gagawin. Okay? So, prior sa iyong scoliosis, ganito ang gagawin natin. Here. Talikod ka sa akin. First, is your lower lumbar, right here. Okay, right over left. Right over left. Yan. Relax ang shoulder. Beautiful. Yan. Yan. So, right. Open your ribs. Here. This one side. Good. Okay. Forward na konti. Nice one. Lapit ka na lang ito para at least marinig. Okay. Meron na. Okay. Here. Relax ang shoulder. I'll push this one further. Good. Ready. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. How was it?
Nice.
Good?
Yeah.
Super.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Here. As i-push natin ito ng right. Okay? Okay, then here. Good. And then open your ribs. Stay. Okay, you hold. Yan. Okay. Wait. Push it. Yep. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, good. Okay, so mas mamaya ayusin natin itong pagkakatapakan. Ngayon, kabila tayo. Lower lumbar. Ribs. Right there. Forward. Good. Right here. Lower lumbar. Good. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Okay. Here. Lower and upper. Open again. Good. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Good. Alright. Sige, down na. Yan. Foot up. Diretso. Diretso. Here. Yan. Sige, go up.
Yan na.
Ito na.
Oo.
Okay. Mabigat or may ngalay?
Mabigat.
Mabigat. Sige, down. Kabila. This one. Mabigat?
Oo, mabigat din.
Okay. Down. Okay. Loosen up your crest, pelvis rotation, and your sacral. Okay? Here. Shift. Then inhale. Exhale. Here. Okay. So very good naman ito. First. Stretch na lang natin. Here. Okay lang.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yep. Alright. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Let it out. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Agay. Okay. Ito lang yung mahirap ng parts. Since kailangan lang natin i-stretch yung quads mo at yung middle extremities muscles dahil maraming muscles na malalaki dito sa ating middle side. O ito medyo tight. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale.
Okay.
Okay? Ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay sa ribs na tayo. Here, open. Yan. So, ang gagawin mo ay itataas mo yung dalawang paa ng sabay, diretso yung paa. At tigasaan ang puwet. Go, up. Yan. Sige, good.
Ay.
How is it? Okay lang. Good.
Yeah.
Ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin ay sa ribs. Here. I'll push your rib down. To push your spine. Okay? So, push this one up. Pull this one. Ready?
Okay.
Inhale. Exhale.
Aray.
Right. Upper side. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. Inhale. Exhale.
Oh.
Nice. Good. Last one here. Inhale. Exhale.
Ay.
Nice. How is it?
Ah.
Okay na.
Ayan.
Okay? So right there. Here. Up this one. Inhale. Exhale. Here. Inhale. Exhale. Yan. Again, last one. Here. Alright. Good. Okay. Stay. Yan. Pwede kang magbaba ng kamay. Here. Then, ito ay itataas mo. Elbow. Now push your rib down towards here and push it here. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Down, down. Okay lang yung chest mo.
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Here. Inhale. Exhale down. Good.
Ay.
So, very
Right.
tight. Okay? Here. Iba yung technique na gagamitin natin. Once you ay nakaupo. Okay? Ito muna tayo para hindi ka na dumaba ulit mamaya. Okay? Ito. Here. Ito yung tension nung naka-look up ka. Okay? Okay. This one. Right there. I'll push this to open your disc joint. Here. This one. Okay? Open this. Good. Relax. Inhale. Open down. Good.
Aray ko.
Nice. Good?
Yeah.
Okay? Now, dito tayo mag-focus. I will push this to bring it back here. Okay? Right there. Okay? There. Good. Okay? Relax ito. Push it. Yan. Push this one. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Okay, so ito ay very tight. Okay, lower side. Clear. Good. Okay, so ibang technique na, but we have to check this again. Here, taas. So, taas yung 1 foot. Yo, up. Good. How is this now?
Medyo gaan na.
Nice. Better.
Yeah,
Okay,
better.
kabila. Nice. So, mataas na din. How is it?
Mas magaan.
Nice. Okay, down. Ngayon, I sit down na. Ngayon, right over left. Relax ang shoulder. Yeah, so right. Off. Right. Okay. Forward. Ready? Inhale. Exhale.
Oh!
Nice. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's lower time. But you have to forward and close now. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. Very clear. Upper side. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale down.
Oh.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay na yung kamay. Hindi tayo sa taas. Okay, pero mata na yung bato. Yan, hawak ko sa kamay. Push up. Yan, and then, ibaba ang siko. Block. Baba. Yan, very nice. Okay, ready? Inhale. Exhale.
Oh!
That's the malalim na part. Mm-hmm. How was it?
I need to do this more often. Okay.
Okay. Very good. Nice. Nice. Oh, it's okay. Okay, here. Come. Oh. Big toe. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Here. Good one. Pain. Okay? Okay lang. Okay? First is here. Check natin. Here. Metatarsal. Right there. Relax. Good one. Here. Lower. Nice. Navicular bone. Relax. Oh. Okay. Here. Good. Here. Middle talus bone. Here. Here. Very nice. Inner side. Here. Outer. Here again. And then for our cuboid bone. Right there. Sit. Up. Good. Relax ang legs. Relax ang legs. Good. Oh. Nice. Okay. Check mo yung reaction nito. Pagkaga. Ever. Yan. Kasi hindi niya mapigilan talaga. Sige, may masakit ba? Wala.
Wala.
Okay, so ngayon sa heel na tayo. Right? Relax po ito. Good. Here. Yeah. What? Relax. Good. Turn in. Good. Relax again. Turn in. Nice. Kamusta yung iyong inner hip?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Next, kabila. Here again. Good. Particular one. Good one. Here. Good. Here. And here. You put on. Okay. Relax. Good one. Nice. You good?
Yeah.
Relax here. And up. Relax. Good one.
Uy.
Nice. Wow.
Wow.
Ngayon, ang pinaka-check natin, how's your knees when upstairs, downstairs?
Okay naman. Jogging lang.
Jogging. Okay. Good. Wala naman nag-bother sa knees.
Pag jogging.
Jogging. Okay. Good. Okay. So, nothing more. Just lang. Release na natin yung tension with your tibia and fibula hinge. Good. Here. Good. Turn in. Good. And here. With your groin and balakang. Relax. That's one. Okay. Nice. That's one. Okay. Here. Good. Normal. Very good. Okay. So you have to prepare your knees before jogging. Okay? Hindi lang laging warm up or hidden up. Before. Nice. Good. Next, our sacral joint. Yeah, okay. Here. This one. Out. Here. This one. Ready? Out. Push this one. Good. Okay, good. Inhale. Exhale. Push it. Push it. Push it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Good. Yeah. Elbow. Okay. Ready? Go. Push it. Inhale. Exhale. Good one. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Focus dun sa itong other side. Very nice. Nice. So, we have two types of decompression for your lumbar, especially sa junction ng ating thoracic 12 and lumbar 1. Okay? Okay, hold my hands again. Ready? Let it out. Alright? Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Again, inhale. Exhale. Good.
Okay.
Saan mo siya naman?
Dito sa lower.
More of lower.
Yeah.
Very nice. Good. Mhm. First time yun?
Yep.
Mhm. Good. We have to do every time yung decompression. Kasi mas ano sa iyo, mas beneficial sa iyo.
Okay.
Mhm. Good. Any pain?
Wala.
Ngalay?
Wala.
Dito tayo sa iyong cervical spine. Alright? So we have to pinch your trigger points to confirm everything. Here. One. How's this?
Fine.
Masakit.
Okay.
Number 2.
Aray.
Number 3.
Aray.
4.
Okay lang.
Not much. 5.
Okay lang.
Okay. Traps muscles.
Okay lang.
Acromion.
Aray.
Ganun. Okay. Wala. Here. 1.
Aray.
Number 2.
Aray.
Number 3.
Aray.
4.
Aray.
5.
Okay lang.
Okay. Traps.
Okay lang.
Acromion.
Okay lang.
Good. So more of 1, 2, 3. Okay? Sige. So ang una natin gagawin is yung left side. We have to position right. Okay? Bago tayo mag-release ng tension. Okay? Suka sa akin sa taas. Okay. Good. Finish. Ako na magtataas. Relax mo. Good. Wala ka. Positioning pala. Okay? Here. This one. Right there. Okay? Cervical 1. Good. This is the middle. Cervical number 2. Right there. Okay? Relax the shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. Good one.
Crunchy.
Crunchy. You good? See, other side. Okay? So this one, medyo mas kukunin natin yung mas upper, which is cervical 1. Okay. Good. Relax. Here. Cervical 1. Right there. Okay? Cervical 2 here. Good. Okay, so I will press this one for upper cervical spine. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Good now. Nice. How was it? Okay, so advanced technique for the right positioning and focus on holding the cervical spine. So yun mismo talaga.
Okay.
You good?
Yes.
Now we have to decompress your cervical spine. Wait, now ako lang may tissue. Right. So this time, bite your teeth. Okay, close your mouth. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Okay, stretch it. Let's see. Here, rotation. Lateral. Very loose. Okay, so we have to bounce it para mas maging effective doon sa ating, especially sa middle thoracic. Alright? Okay? Inhale again. Exhale. Bounce it. Yeah. Good. Right? Konti-konti lang yung pwersa. Ready? Inhale again. Exhale. Relax the shoulder. Good. Pakiramdaman ang sarili. Right positioning and right technique. para mawala or walang masyadong ma-compromise ng alay or pain. Okay po. The fascial gland for muscle recovery. Okay. Kasi gutom na agad. Wala na masyadong laman. Sige, wait. I will check this. Here, this is our levator muscle. Okay. Good one. How is it?
Sarap.
Okay, so let's see again the pain or yung pinaka-trigger points.
Okay.
Okay, pinch again. Ready? Go. Number 1. How's this?
Sarap.
Nice. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And 5. How is it?
Okay. Wala, nawala.
Okay, kapila. Number 1.
Wala.
Number 2.
Wala.
Number 3.
Wala.
Number 4.
Wala.
And 5.
Wala.
Wow. See the difference?
Yes.
Yeah, so right away, nakaka-recover ang ating muscle support once na ma-release natin ang tama lahat ng tension. Right?
Yes.
Very good. Happy ka naman.
Super.
Good. Okay? So hands na tayo. Yeah. Let's see the pain. Here. Pain? Nothing? Meron.
Meron.
Meron. Grip. Go. Grip. Wow, malakas ha. Okay. Good. Please, very good talaga. Good. Here. Good. Kaya ko yan. Nice. Here. Here. Good. Middle side. Last one. Okay. Anything. Okay. Push it down back. Here. Nice. Here. Good one. Alright. Okay. Elbow. Here. Nice body burn. Nice. And over. Here. Good. Pahinga. Kabila tayo. Susunod. Pain. Tignan natin. Pain. Meron na. Grip. Dapat mas malakas sa dominant hand mo to.
Left ka.
Left ka.
Left ako.
Okay. So, let's see. Wow. Very nice. Mas malakas ka ata. Ready? See this one. Clear. Good. Good. Nice. Stretch it and stretch it. Relax. Good. And here. Elbow. Here. Here. Over. And upper side. Upper. Here. Lower side. Good. Okay. Nice. Check again. See? Wala na yung nag-grind. Stretch. Good. Now, let's see the pain. This. This. Good. Grip. Close. Open. Wide open. Good. Okay? Relax. Good. Go. Mas control.
Oo.
Good. Kabila. Sigas mo. Meron pa isa. Here. Okay. Right there. Upper. Wait. Good. Nice. Okay. Relax. Okay, see the pain. How's this? Good. Grip. Go. Nice. Okay. Relax. Any pain?
Wala.
Nice. Okay. Ngayon, ay sa shoulder na tayo at sa iyong. Sit down. Shoulders, here, and ears. Sure. Hawak na dawa. Ngayon, push kita forward. Pipigilan. Okay? Ready? Malakas. Go, pigil. Sige ko. Nice. That's it. Pagila. Here. Go, pigil. Malakas. Good. Very clear. And very firm. Alright? Now, your shoulder, acromion, clavicular joint. Relax. That's not good enough. Go. Nice. This one here. Good. And upper. Lower rotator cuff. Good. Here. Nice. Kabila. Nice. Next one. Good. Here. Relax. Lower. Yupo. Yun. Good. Nothing. Last is your ears. Okay. Relax. Snap it.
Uy.
Nice. Kailang kalas na pingot? Hindi ka napipingot? Or nung bata pa?
Wala. Never.
Wow! Mabait na bata. Okay, sige. Relax. Here. Relax again. Good. Nice. Good. Relax. Then, this is the sensitive part of our ears. Here. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. How was it? Yes, ang pinakamaliit na buto ay nasa ating ears. Yan. Cartilage and maliit na bone. Okay, Rock Nation, hello again, and we're done with
Nicole.
Ma'am Nicole. Wow! Ano po yung pinaka-experience ng ating therapy? How is it?
It was life-changing for sure. I had chiro before, but I've never experienced about yung mga techniques. Yeah.
Wow.
Maraming first time. Even though nagka-chiro ako before, maraming first time na technique na ginawa
Nagad-
sa akin. Yes.
Yes, full body.
Full body. Yes, exactly.
Alright.
And- Yeah, I want to do this more often.
Nice.
Yes,
Thank you so
for
much for
sure.
trusting.
Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng physical examination.
Okay.
Ready? Posture up. Turn to your left. Wow. Turn to your right. How is it?
Walang pain.
Yung tightness nito.
Wala.
Mhm. Ngayon ay look up. Wow. How is it now? The difference.
Oh, primarily
You remember?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
Kanina,
Parang ganun na.
tapos pinagtutulak pa rin.
Yes.
Tama? Oo. Okay, ngayon ay yuko. Down. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. How's it?
Wala rin pain.
Nice. Very nice. So, this one is makaka-recover na lahat ng muscle support with our upper extremities. Okay? So, kailangan lang alagaan Magre-recommend ako at mag-video tayo mamaya ng mga exercises. Stretching
Okay.
routine every morning, especially your beneficial sa inyong circulation.
Okay.
Alright? So, ngayon, ay shoulders. Here. Hold up. Good. Down. Lagpas sa tenga. Up. Yan. How's this?
Bantay.
Kanina?
There.
Very good. Ngayon, ito na. Kanina ito maluwag. Here. Loose. Ngayon, check natin ang kabila. Very nice. See? Kanina ay sobrang nakaganito. Oh, let's see again. Push it. How's this?
Okay naman.
Good.
Ah.
See the difference?
Yes.
So, unti-unti. We have the progress. And mas maganda yung result natin ngayon.
Okay.
Good. Ngayon, stand up. Okay? So now, let's see your back bend. Okay? So, difference.
Pwede mo na nagsistock up.
Good. Kanina saan siya?
Pwede may nagsistock up. Pag ganun ka na.
Okay? Pero let's see. Okay, go down. How was it?
Mas malayo yung larahan.
Nice. So kanina, ngayon, forward bend. Let's see your scoliosis. Tignan natin kung ano yung improvement.